Greetings, Chris Feola here with another edition of the Perfecting Equilibrium vlog. Well, last week we added some text and cleaned up the new marketing materials and icon here, logo for Feola Factory, and I said that this week we would change the text to 3D to make it more look like an engraving on a camera, the way you would on a real world camera. And I was a little bit confused because normally you just click into 3D, extrude 3D from layer, and I couldn't find it last week and said I'd do some more research. Well, after several hours of looking at things that said exactly what I thought it was supposed to be, I finally went over to the Adobe site where it said that all of 3D tools have been removed from Photoshop and packaged into some other thing, which of course you now have to buy separately. So thank you, Adobe, for that update. So there's some workarounds to do that, and I'm gonna probably do one, but not today. That's whatever I do, it's going to be, like I said, it's going to be a workaround, and so I don't know, it's really germane to what we're doing here. So let's just kind of move to the next steps, and when I get something better on that, I will show it to you. So let's take a look at the size of this. It is quite large, which is good because you want to start with something quite large. It's 2048 pixels by 2048 pixels. Now, I'm going to shrink this down and make it more available for some other things here. So let us start by doing that. I'm going to start by making this. I think what I want is to make it 400 pixels high. All right. And now we will make this a workable size and drag it back into the middle here so we can work on it. We're still, I guess we've got the type layer selected here. So what we want to do is get to, let's see, where are my layers? I'd hidden them apparently, so let us go choose this layer here. I want to what I want to do here first is to put this on a larger canvas. So let's change the canvas size here. And after we change the canvas size here, we'll check out some more of these new Photoshop AI tools. So I'm going to make the height here, I think I'll bring it up to 500. And I'm going to bring the width up to let's do 2000. Okay. I think I have it too large here right now. Yeah, I do. Okay, so that gives us room to do a few things. Remove background. I think I want to do the extend background thing. I think I've clicked on, I was trying to get it to change that. I like to remove the white, which was not horribly useful, but let's see. Okay, how do I? The problem with a lot of these AI tools is that they come and go when they think they're useful, and I don't want the text layer. Why do they keep going to the text layer and zooming in? It's not helpful here. What I wanted to do was to it had a background file. Well, maybe I have to choose it. Let's see. Generative fill. There it is. Type my prompt. Okay. Now I really don't want a sample prompt, and I want you to go away. So would you go away? So let's do generative fill of a Victorian steampunk workshop and see how that works out. That worked out pretty nice, actually. I like how it continued the colors and the sort of motif from the other from the original drawing here. So I think I can work with this here. It's super busy though for marketing stuff. So maybe what I'll do is change how the lighting is set up on it. And we're at 7 minutes already, so I'm going to call it for today. I hope you're all having a great week, and we're almost through January, so I will talk to you again in February. Feola out.